Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video we will learn about the word problem which is related to the cost. The problem says James has some 5 euro cent and 10 euro cent coins in a wallet in the ratio of 4 is to 3. The total amount is 1 euro. How many 5 euro cent coins does he have? Now, according to the statement, the number of 5 euro cent coins is equal to 4x and the number of 10 euro cent coins is equal to 3x. We will multiply 3x with 2, that will be 6x. We are multiplying it with 2 because we know that the value of 10 euro cent coins is twice of 5 euro cent coins. So according to the statement, total amount in the wallet is equal to 1 euro. We know that 1 euro is equal to 100 cents. So we can say that the addition of 5 euro cent coins and 10 euro cent coins, 4x plus 6x, that is equal to 100 cents. So 4x plus 6x, that will be 10x is equal to 100. So x is equal to 100 divided by 10, that will be 10. Now we can say that the value of 5 euro cent coins is equal to 4x. So 4 into x, that is 10. So 40 cents is the value of 5 euro cent coins. But in the question it is asking that how many 5 euro cent coins does he have? So number of 5 euro cent coins is equal to the value of 5 euro cent coins, that is 40 divided by 5 because the coin is 5. So 40 divided by 5, that is 8. So we can say that he has 8 coins of 5 euro cents. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.